Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through how to save something in Photoshop, just because depending on what you're doing to it, it might not automatically default to saving as a file format that can be used in things like the website or in emails or on social media. So you have to be careful on how you save it. For the purposes of this, I started out with an image that if I just hit save, it would save appropriately, but I went ahead and I added a layer. So if in the case of maybe I put the WebFeet logo onto this image, that would be added as a separate layer. And the automatic default for Photoshop is to save that as a Photoshop file. So when you go to save something like that, if you go and you put a logo on something or you add another image on top of this, you want to be sure that you're saving it as the right file type. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to select where I want to save it. So I'll add it into my WebFeet folder. I'll go into, this is going on the website, so I'll go to my website folder, banner images, and then I'm going to save it as the name of where I'm going to upload it. So it's the SEO page banner. And then down here where it says format, I'm going to change it to say JPEG. Another file type that you can use is PNG. PNG is what you want to be using for images that need to have transparency. So if you want a logo without the background on it, just the logo, and to be able to overlay it on somewhere else, that's when you would save it as a PNG. But for right now, a JPEG works just fine. And I'm going to go ahead, and if I were getting ready to save it, I would hit save. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to hit cancel, and I'm going to show you what happens if I don't go through save as. So if I just say save, or on my computer it's command save, on a Windows computer it's control save, control S. I'm going to do that, and this is going to prompt me because I haven't saved this file before. It's going to prompt me to save it. And sometimes I do this all the time. I'll just make the mistake of not paying close enough attention and accidentally save it as a Photoshop file, and then I have to go in and redo it. So if that happens to you, this box will pop up. If you don't remember to change the file type, this box is going to come up and it's going to say Photoshop format options, and this is what reminds me, like, oh, I actually have to go in and change it to a JPEG. So I'll hit cancel. I'll do save as, pick where I want it to go. Website, banner images, SEO page banner, and then change it down here to a JPEG and hit save. And then this is what pops up when you have changed it to a JPEG. So just kind of little triggers to let you know if you have to go back and resave it if you make that mistake.